Managing dozens of WooCommerce orders every day? Stop printing USPS shipping labels one at a time. With the ELEX WooCommerce USPS shipping plugin, you can bulk print USPS shipping labels in just a few clicks. The ELEX WooCommerce USPS shipping plugin automates your entire USPS shipping workflow. You can generate labels after your customer checks out with their order. Once your orders are ready to ship, head to your WooCommerce orders page. To generate the labels, just select multiple orders. Once your order page opens, scroll down to the USPS shipment label section. In the shipment label section, check for the details, and you can simply click on Create Shipment Label. Whether you're shipping domestic or international orders, the ELEX plugin supports all USPS account types. To learn more, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.